Here's some quick notes on lunchtime trading. So generally, if you're expecting price to continue lower, lunchtime will sweep some kind of high, and then it should continue lower throughout lunch and or after lunchtime. If we consolidate into lunch, so from this 11 o'clock all the way into lunchtime, what will happen is, again, it should sweep either a low or a high and then continue in a direction. So for example, yesterday, we consolidated into lunch. But what happened was lunch came, took out a buy side level, then continued in that direction lower, right? Or if you want to look at that buy side example that we mentioned earlier with the rejection block and the wicks, when did that happen? That happened at lunchtime. And that was because we consolidated going into lunch. So lunchtime went, took out that buy side level, took out that high, then continued lower. Or if you wanted to play the upside, for example, so let's say you knew that the markets wanted to come back up to this level, or you were targeting, for example, one of these two highs. What you could do in this example, look for a sweep of sell side. So this is your consolidation heading into lunch. We swept that sell side consolidation. Then where did we target? The buy side liquidity. Right, and the downside was the move. Lunchtime will either consolidate, so do nothing at all, or it will do this. So it'll take out a buy side or sell side level and then either continue in the direction or reverse it. But if you're expecting the markets to push higher, then lunchtime will take out a sell side low and continue higher. If you're expecting the markets to continue lower, expect lunchtime to take out a buy side level, then continue lower. But if we consolidate into lunch, like what we saw yesterday, we don't really know if price wants to continue higher or lower. Expect lunch to take out again a buy side or sell side liquidity level, then make a move, right? Whether lower or higher. So there's some notes you should write down for trading lunch. Preferably we would trade lunch when there is direction. So when the market is in a hurry to get somewhere. So when there is direction and we're expecting markets to continue higher or lower even after lunch,